Hello, welcome to another video of this channel. Today I am going to show you how to create rounded corners on Adobe Illustrator. First I am going to create an square. Make the corners visible or lines visible enough to work with. There are many ways to make the corner rounded. First I am going to show you how to do it on the latest version easily. You can see that there is 4 dots on each corner of our shape. You can just click and drag it, and you can see that it creates the rounded corners. If you want to just edit one corner or not all of the corners, you can just select direct selection tool, select the corners you want to make rounds, just drag the corners. You can see this way you can easily make rounded corners on the latest version of Adobe Illustrators, but on the previous versions of Adobe Illustrator this dot is not available for you to make rounded corners with. For the previous versions you can use shape tool and stylize. Now I'm going to use the shape tool or shape option, you can say. Select the link button. Here, how much you want to round the corners, you have to specify the amount or pixels setups. I am going to give 150. You can see that all of the corners has become rounded corners. If you want to do one particular part of the shape, you can unlink the button. You can give this you can see that this corner has become less rounded. You can also do it like this. You can make rounded corners with on the latest Adobe Illustrator simply by just using the dots, or if you want to easily round the corners on the previous versions, you can use the shape options of our tool here. Or if you can't use this, or if you don't have this option, you can just go to effect, stylize, and use this rounded corner options. You can specify rounded corner radius and it will become rounded corners for you. I'm going to show you our rounded corner effects. First, rounded corners. You can give your specification. I give 250 easily. But this option only available for all of the corners. You can't select any single corner. That's why I use the shape option or these dots. this option only for all of the corners. It doesn't allow you to particularly edit one single corner or multiple, but it corners all of them. All of the corner becomes rounded by using this option. Thank you for watching the video.